TCO means total cost of ownership of a solution. In our case, we'll discuss TCO of a monitoring solution. This is different from your yearly subscription or maintenance contract that you would use to prepare next year's IT budget, for example. Now, the TCO is all the costs involved in buying, maintaining, running, hosting a solution, all the direct and indirect costs. TCO can be quite complex to compute because it includes hidden costs, such as, for example, integrating the solution with other solutions, or maintaining a rare competency that is needed, or maybe the cost of outages of old solutions that you would replace with a new solution. So why bother with computing the TCO if it's difficult? You will use the TCO in all those situations where you compare solutions which cannot be directly compared. Think of comparing an open source solutions with a commercial off-the-shelf solution, for example, or comparing a self-hosted on-premises solution with a SaaS solution, or comparing a new modern solutions that could replace a set of old tools. In all those solutions, you need to compute the TCO precisely in order to make an informed decision. So I'm afraid it's time for yet another spreadsheet.